You ever sit down to study or get some work done, and then, ping, your phone lights up? You tell yourself, I'll just check for a second. 5 minutes later, you're deep into a YouTube rabbit hole or scrolling through random memes. And before you know it, an hour's gone. Yeah, we've all been there. The truth is, our phones are designed to steal our focus. Every app, every notification, every red icon, it's all made to grab your attention. So if you struggle to stay focused, it's not because you're lazy or weak. It's because you're fighting a machine that's literally built to distract you. But here's the good news. You can win this fight. Not by throwing your phone away, but by learning how to take back control. Let's talk about how. The first thing to understand is this. Your brain loves easy rewards. When you open Instagram or check a text or watch a TikTok, your brain gets a tiny hit of dopamine, that feel-good chemical that says, hey, this feels nice. So your brain starts craving more. And every time you try to focus on something boring, like reading a textbook or writing an email, your brain whispers, why not check your phone? That's way more fun. You can't force your brain to stop wanting that dopamine. But you can train it to focus again. And it starts with one simple idea. Make focus feel rewarding too. Here's how. Set a small focus goal, like 20 minutes of pure concentration. Put your phone in another room, or at least face down, out of reach. Then, when the timer ends, reward yourself. Check your phone, grab a snack, stretch, whatever makes you happy. You're basically telling your brain, see, when we focus, we still get a reward just a little later. It's like training a puppy. You can't yell at it for misbehaving. You teach it gently, with consistency and small rewards. Now let's talk about the trap of just a quick check. You know how it goes. You're writing an essay, then you think, let me just reply to that one message. You open your phone, and 40 minutes later, you're watching videos about cats wearing sunglasses. It's not your fault. That's how attention works. Every time you switch tasks, from studying to checking your phone, your brain needs time to reload when you come back. So even if you only check your phone for a minute, you lose momentum. That's why one of the best focus tricks is to make distractions physically harder to reach. When I study, I literally put my phone in another room, out of sight, out of mind. If that feels too extreme, try this. Turn on Do Not Disturb mode. Or use an app blocker like Forest or Focus Lock. These apps make it annoying to open social media while you're supposed to be working. It's not about willpower. It's about environment. You can't win a battle if the enemy is sitting right next to you. Here's another powerful trick. Set phone time instead of no phone time. Telling yourself, I won't touch my phone at all, never works, because the more you resist something, the more your brain craves it. Instead, plan phone breaks. For example, focus for 25 minutes, 5-minute phone break. Or work for an hour, 10-minute phone break. When you give yourself permission to check your phone later, it's easier to ignore it now. And during those breaks, don't just scroll mindlessly. Use that time to move, stretch, drink water, or even message a friend. That way your break actually refreshes you instead of draining your focus more. Another thing that helps a lot is creating a focus ritual. It's like your brain's on switch for deep work. Maybe you always make a cup of coffee before studying, or play a certain playlist, or sit in the same spot every time. When you repeat that little ritual daily, your brain starts to recognize, okay, it's focus time. You get into the zone faster, and your phone will feel less tempting. Personally, I have a rule: when I open my laptop to write, I also light a candle and put my phone face down across the room. It's a small thing, but it signals to my brain we're entering focus mode. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but my phone is important. I need it for messages, alarms, reminders. Of course, you don't need to quit your phone completely. You just need to use it intentionally. Think about it this way. Your phone can be your best tool or your biggest distraction. It depends on how you use it. Try turning your home screen into a focus zone. Delete or hide apps that waste time. Keep only tools that actually help you, like notes, calendar, or music. You can even move social media to the second page so you don't see it every time you unlock your phone. When your environment supports your goals, focus becomes so much easier. And another mindset shift that really helps is this. Every time you resist your phone, you're strengthening your mind. You're teaching yourself discipline, control, and self-respect. You're proving that you are in charge, not some app notification. Think of focus like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. The first few times, you'll fail. You'll reach for your phone out of habit, but that's okay. Awareness is the first win. Each time you catch yourself and gently put your phone down, that's another rep for your focus muscle. Over time, distractions will lose their power. And here's the best part. When you start controlling your focus, everything in life gets better. You finish tasks faster, you learn deeper, you enjoy conversations more. Even your free time feels more satisfying because you're not half distracted all the time. Imagine this. Sitting in a cafe, no phone in sight, just thinking or reading, no buzzing, no notifications, just peace. That calm, clear feeling, that's what real focus feels like. And it's something most people have forgotten how to experience. But you can bring it back. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be present. Start small. Put your phone away for 20 minutes a day. Then 30, then an hour. Slowly, your attention span will rebuild. And one day, you'll realize you're not fighting your phone anymore. You're using it on your own terms. That's when you've truly won. If this video helped you, remember this. Your focus is your superpower. Protect it, train it, and the world will start to feel a lot more in your control. Because staying focused isn't about avoiding distraction. It's about choosing what really matters to you.